In this video, we're going to find out how to find the area of any triangle. So I have a little triangle, a right triangle over here, and you've probably known for a long time that the area of a triangle, A, is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. And this is 100% true as long as we have a right triangle that strictly gives us the height, or as long as we have a different triangle. Let's say I have one that looks like this, okay, and that this is not a right angle here, but we can still use the area equals 1/2 the base times height as long as we know the height right there. So as long as we know the height on our triangles, we can use our basic triangle formula, area for a triangle formula, 1/2 the base times height. But what we're going to focus on in this video is, what if we don't know the height? What if that piece of information is missing, and all I know are some of the side lengths and an angle? How can we find the area of a triangle if we know the side lengths and an angle? So let's get started figuring this out. So here is my new non-right angle triangle. It is triangle A, B, C. So I have angle A, angle B, and angle C here. And then I have side A, side B, and side C. If I want to find the area of this triangle, okay, we said a moment ago that it's 1/2 the base times the height. And our height is going to be represented by that. So this is our height. But if we don't know this, if we don't know this height, there is a way we can find it. Okay, we treat this line right here as if it's an altitude going from this angle down. Altitudes make a right angle. And now, what do I have here? I have a right triangle. I don't know what this portion is. Okay, this little from the angle A all the way to the green line, I don't know what that is, but I know this line is C, this is the height, and as long as I know the angle right here, as long as I know the angle right here, I have a trig identity. I have angle A, or the sine of angle A, is equal to h over c, opposite over the hypotenuse. And in this case, the opposite side from angle A is the height, and the hypotenuse, opposite our 90-degree angle, is side C. And if I keep it like this, and I'm looking for that height, well, I can multiply both sides by c and say that c times the sine of angle A is our height. So I have just changed this formula. It was 1/2 the base times the height, but now I'm saying the height is equal to c times the sine of A. So our area formula is what A equals 1/2 the base, and then times C times the sine of angle A. And our base is side B. This is our new area formula. So we can find the area of any triangle as long as we know the base, one side of it, and then the angle between the base and that side. Okay, this has to be between your two sides, C and B. If it was up here, I couldn't do this. I couldn't use this version of the formula. I could use a different version of the formula, but I would have to change it around a little bit. So let's try an example of this. Let's use this formula right here to find the area of one of our triangles. So here's my triangle. Okay, I'm going to call this angle down here A, so this is side A. This is B, so this is side B. Actually, nope, whoops, sorry. We called this C before, so this is side C, and up here is angle B and side B. So what do I know in this triangle? I know I want to find its area, and I know this side right here, it's 2.13 units. I know this side of the triangle, it's 2.96 units, and I know the measure of the angle between those two sides. I can find the area of this triangle. So I have the area, not angle A, but area. Let's actually write the word angle so we're not confused, or sorry, area, so we're not confused. Area is going to be 1/2 our base, which is 2.13, times the other side, 2.96, so times 2.96, and then times the sine of our angle, which was angle A, and it was 72 degrees. So times the sine of 72 degrees. And if we type all of that in, we will get approximately 2.998. So there is the area of our triangle. It's approximately 3 square units. And all we had to do was use our nice new little area formula. A for area equals 1/2 times one of the sides that creates that angle times the other side. Sorry, I didn't use A before, we used B, the base, times the other side that created our angle, which was side C, times the sine of angle A, the angle that is between these two sides. And there we have it. There's the area of a triangle using our new spiffy formula. Okay, this will work for every single triangle as long as, like I've mentioned multiple times, you have one side that is known, you have a second side which is known, and you know the angle between those sides. As long as you have that info, you are good. If I knew side A over here, and I still knew the bottom, I could use this formula, but I would need to know this angle over here, because between side A and side B is angle C. And then for one last quick talk through, if I know side A and I know side C, which angle am I going to need to know to use this formula? Hopefully you said angle B, because that is the angle between side A and side C. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. In the next part to this video, we're going to talk about the law of sines, which is created thanks to this area formula. So, hope to see you watch that video as well. Have a good day.